little artists. Are you ready to draw something adorably big today? Because we're going to sketch and color a super cute blue elephant. And guess what? When we're done, this elephant is going to come to life and move. So grab your pencils, colors, and imagination. Let's make magic happen. Let's start by drawing a big round head and a long curvy trunk that smiles. Use light pencil strokes first. That way, it's easy to erase if you want to make changes. Now draw 2 huge ears on each side. Make them nice and round. Elephants love to flap them. Draw both ears the same size to keep our elephant balanced and cute. Add 2 shiny eyes. Time to sketch a chubby body and 4 strong legs. Keep the legs evenly spaced to make it look like the elephant is standing firmly. Don't forget those tiny toes. And a few detail lines on the ears and legs. A few curved lines go a long way in making your elephant look more real. Let's add a twisty tail with a little tuft at the end. Now, let's bring our elephant to life with colors. Color the whole body in a soft blue. Shade lightly for texture, just like elephant skin. the ears and cheeks with a warm pink. This gives our elephant a friendly, playful look. Blend a little white or light pink around the edges to make them pop. Color the toes yellow and use brown for the tail's tuft. Let's finish by coloring a patch of green grass under the feet and add a few blue clouds in the sky. Layer different shades of green for the grass to give it a lively look. And there you have it. Our adorable elephant is all drawn and colored. But wait, remember the surprise? Let's say, elephant. Watch closely. Our elephant is now on the move. Yes! Look how cute he stomps and moves his trunks. Amazing! Great job! Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep imagining. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss another fun drawing adventure. Bye for now, little artist.